Here I have TOSCIDO M863, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly, let's open Settings, then go to the System section, then go to the Backup, tap at Account, then you have to enter your email or phone number. Here, tap Next, then you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Then you have to agree with Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And then tap Turn on. And now your device will be ready to the backup, as you can see. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.